Hello, everybody. We are live again from our event. So this is at Giovanni. Hi, Debbie.
Hello.
And this is Linda. And oh my God, we have to check out the products. And the products are great. I have vitamin C. I also have hyaluronic acid serum, and these are great serums. So we are giving away gifts also. So these are like great serums that will accompany, like that can look really good with any skincare regimen. So let's say hi to Debbie. Debbie has a company called Live Labs, and they make these CBD and cannabis products. We are using actually today with our treatment, we're using like the CBD mask.
CBD infused mask.
It is CBD infused mask. So after that microneedling session that is happening right now, and I'm going to show you guys because that session is being done right now by my microneedling tech. But she's going to do the upper part, and then I'm going to go and do her lower part of the face, which is very lax and actually has more lax skin. So what we will do in this area is a deeper treatment, and then after we finish the treatment, we're going to top it off with like some stem cell treatment to increase the collagen and boost the collagen support. And then at the end, I'm going to add some PDO threads, which are the surgical sutures that actually tuck and support. They're like support beams for your falling architecture of the face. So I'm going to do that, and we'll probably go live at that point also, and you will probably be able to see. And also say hi to Linda. Linda is the person responsible for bringing you those serums, which are my company's sweetest secret that I don't even like to tell people, and only our concierge clients get to use this. But Linda was like, "Nuh-uh, you gotta put them on." And I was like, who's got time for that, but we are bringing them out, and they're here for anybody to see. But let's first go in, and I'm going to put my mask back on, and I'm going to show my client who's getting her microneedling treatment done. And then at some point, I'm going to join it, and we'll go live again later. This is a treatment going on, and we have our client. She is numbed, and she's actually already had the top part of her face treated, and she got the microneedling done, and she's getting like a quick stem cell treatment. And then I am going to come in, and I'm going to do the lower part of her face, the jowl area, and the neck, under chin. How painful was it?
Bad.
Not too bad? Like from 0 to 10?
6.
6? Okay. So, and 6 she's saying because we did not just topical numbing, we also gave her some Motrin. Yes, let's start. And she is doing her neck. Tuck your skin in with the Genius. So initially, guys, we basically rescheduled this event because initially the weather forecast was that it's going to be raining. But guess what? It's not raining. It's actually beautiful. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. It's like a beautiful, I know. It's gorgeous. And our gardens, I mean, people are coming in, and they can actually stand outside and interview at this point. So she can talk, which means that, you know, she, even though this is a very heavy and deeper treatment, she can actually do well. So I'm going to now ask, you know, get dressed and ask Lydia to let me do close to her chin, because we're going to go very, very, very deep on her jawline. Let me see if we can. So at this level, how painful is it?
A little more.
Okay.
It did increase.
How many sessions do you need to get results? You probably need around 3 to 5 sessions. This is your second session here. But you already did anal therapy also, which is a skin lift. This particular treatment is more important for collagen and elasticity, for collagen rejuvenation and elasticity. And then what's going to happen when we put the stem cells? So stem cells, we are actually, after she does the treatment, we're also going to inject some stem cells in this area, and then I'm going to do the PDO threads also. So it's like a multifaceted treatment, because her upper part of the face is like really in great condition. But how young are you, Melinda? Can we say that?
Yes.
Yes, how young are you?
I'm going to be 69 in November.
There you go. And look at her. You know, this is like, check her out. So she is basically, this is her maintenance. This is a maintenance thing. You know, we've been like seeing her for a while. So she is doing 3 sessions here, but she is going to be doing these treatments in combination with certain lifting treatments. So lifting is a little separate from collagen renewal. So basically, if you don't tighten your skin, then sometimes, you know, people go in and only do Botox and fillers, and that can start looking unnatural and bulky, and you start looking fake and phony if you don't tighten your skin also. So tightening procedures are a little different, and that's what she's doing right now. So you can see that the skin gets a little red, but when I come and do my treatment, my part, it will become like a little more red than that. If you guys have any questions, we are ready to answer that. You can post your questions on under this post, and I try to come back and answer those. Say bye to our beautiful ladies, and see you guys soon. Bye.